and my friend name is Sadiq. I am from Bihar and he's from UP. So topic is about totally how to meet. This is new in Delhi. Meet a person Sadiq. I met in Delhi is like new, like two better friend. And nowadays we are also be a preparation and starting a beginner to start in English speaking. So we should something about that, bro.
Uh, I want to tell about my friend. Umar is my friend, and we are met in FE. So after some time, we observe Umar is a good person. So I say hello, Umar. How are you? And what are you doing nowadays? So he told me I am graduate from. I am pursuing graduation from DU University, and he told me, "What about you?" So he told me, I told him I am doing job. So at this I am doing job, and after some time we will regular in class. So he observe it is good, and I observe he is good for me. So after some time we will make a friend, and we observe we are good, but now we are doing more. We are doing more at this time. If we are we are we want to become a fluent speaker, so at this time we will give more in this journey. So please tell me something about your journey.
Yeah, I have already said about my journey in last video. So today we said about like a facing, which kinds of faces in speaking. I think not be I face only. It's like a nature problem. Not be you and me and everyone those who want to be learn any kinds of languages. Basically, you want to be learn English. So this language is not our burning language. It may be you are born as like a Hindi community. It's like a regional community. So on that time, it's tough to adapt. So we are also be a same. So we met in Delhi in Badla House. So we are also be a same institute like a FEA. Sadiq bro already told about. So on that time he's also be a punctual student every day attend class. On that time I decided I think he's better for me because we are same as like we are not strong in speaking English. Basically I know everything grammar in vocabs, but when you speaking on that time it may be a lot of mistake. So this person's I absorb many things he's doing better in class. So I asked about what are you doing nowadays. He asked me, bro, I am doing a job, but I wanna be learn English. I asked again, why do you want to be learn English? He replied me, actually, bro, you know the English is the global language. If you don't know English on that time, we are not be better because in our country India is not there are more jobs, so you want to be go abroad, so on that time we need to English. And also you in our country, so there are some state you want to be speaking. Basically you want to go in Kerala, you want to be go Tamil Nadu, you want to go in Karnataka. On that time you need to more in speaking. So this person nowadays we are doing every day come in this park name is Asoka Park. You should show to this is the Asoka Park. Every day we come there and also we make video and share. So it's my starting journey. On that time it may be a mistake a lot, but no matter. I don't know who is thinking about me, but I always think positive for another. So it's starting time. Inshallah I will be do a better in after upcoming time. So thank you so much.
Yeah, I want to add some point in my journey. So if I want to grow in my corporate world, so it is necessary for us. If we are not able to speak English, so we are not growing in this area. So if
So excuse
it
me,
is so
Sadiq.
good.
I want to
Yes.
ask the Sadiq question. So nowadays, which kinds of problem you are facing when you're speaking in front of the people? Basically, like in class, in a crowded place, it's like you will get chance speaking in the any stage. So on that time, you are already graduate. So on that time, how to be appreciate those who want to be learn English? So this type of question, I think should we give the reply?
Yeah, basically I am a Hindi background student, so I am already graduated, but now I face lots of challenges in my job. So that time I observe I want to learn English. So I joined the FEA and I am doing more in this session, and I am punctual and I am dedicated in this class. So and we are both are friend and we are doing more in our life,
Yes.
and we do more. If I want to become a success, so I will give more, and I want to give more in my study. So at this time I am facing lots of challenges like vocabs and sentence structures and tense also. So what do you want?
Again, ask a question for Shadik. So those who want to be learn English, as like many one want to, but sometimes people as like same. It's like we are also sometimes when we are not start on that time think when I speak in front of the people, it may be a mistake. The people what we are thinking about me. So those who want to be learn English. So what do you want to say?
If
There are many people who want to be learn English, but the problem is that is the confidence, lack of confidence, lack of
yes,
shameless. So in this kinds of
if we want to speak in English, so we should make an environment, and we should learn new vocabs in every day, and we should read newspaper, and we should practice more with my friend, with my family, and any other person if is comfortable with you in speak English, so you will grow in your life.
okay, thank you so much. It's like Sadiq said about first of all you should make environment, and second thing is like never think about those who want to be. Think about you. Always think about you. You are a positive. You are a better. You are the best. It may be a mistake. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Without trying, will not.